Hello, everyone. This is part 3 of the Shiba Breakout series. And we keep on making these videos because Shiba keeps on breaking out. This is actually the third video that we do, and it looks like this will be the third breakout in, I guess, 3 days in a row, as we can call it that. What's going on? So as you guys can see in our first video, we started off right here at the 39.88 level, and we clearly had a breakout. Also, as you guys can see, we broke out of a pattern. We also had a breakout at the 44.71 level, and that also happened. And now we're looking at all times high at 5,000, right? This is the level that everyone has been expecting, the one that it's being talked about the most. And if it gets to that level, if you start off down here, more than likely you have 6x, 7x your profits. You know, example, for every $100, you probably make 700, 800. So that's really good. And I'm happy for everyone that got in when we advertised and we told you guys that, hey, Shiba is about to take off, and it did 3 weeks ago. And now, you know, being patient has paid off, especially if you got in all the way down here, right? So you waited for more than 3 weeks. You waited at least 3 months for, you know, to see any changes in your account. And what do we expect? So I'm expecting for us to touch this overnight. We're probably going to get to this level today, if not tomorrow. Now, I do have this triangle right here. I'm sorry, this rectangle. And this is basically the top of my Fibonacci, my Fib level. So my Fib level ends at 53.31, 53.37. If we get there, more than likely we are going to get a serious pullback. But as of now, things look good. We still haven't received that Robinhood announcement of Shiba listing, but a lot of news are coming out. Again, this is being promoted so hard on the Reds and the social medias that it looks like it's happening. And again, the longer we wait, the more people can get in at a better price range, because I promise you guys, the day this does happen, Shiba's going to take off. Yes, it might be like a short-term upside, but it will help out get more people into it, and it will help out the price action when it comes to Shiba, and in a positive way, right? We want the price to go up instead of going down. And again, there's just updates where I'm creating at this point. And what are we looking for? Breakout of all times high, which again, more than likely is going to be this level right here. And if you're interested in stocks, trading, cryptocurrencies, options, NFTs, I encourage you guys to sign up to the Zero Dinero Investment Group. My name is Yoshio, and I am one of the admins that, you know, get to do technical analysis like the one you're seeing right now. And this is pretty much it for the third video that we've done about Shiba Inu. And I hope you guys keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.